In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete LinkedIn posts anonymously. Managing your online presence is important, and sometimes you might find that you need to remove a post you shared on LinkedIn without drawing attention. Let's walk through this process together, step by step. First, you'll want to navigate your way to linkedin.com and log in to your account if you haven't already done so. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right of the page. You'll notice your profile icon there. Simply click on that icon, which will open a small drop-down menu. From that drop-down, select View Profile. This will redirect you to your personal LinkedIn profile page where you can see all your posts and activity. Scroll down a bit until you find the Activity section. In this area, click on Posts to specifically view the posts you have shared. Now that you can see all your posts laid out, take a few moments to browse through them. Locate the specific post you wish to delete. When you find it, look for the three dots. These are usually found at the top right corner of each post. Clicking on these dots will present you with a small menu of options. In this menu, you'll notice an option labelled Delete Post. Go ahead and click on that if you're ready to remove your post. LinkedIn will then ask you to confirm your decision. You'll see a prompt that asks, "Are you sure you want to permanently remove this post from LinkedIn?" If you're absolutely certain that you want this content gone forever, click on Delete, and there you have it. Your post will be removed instantly from your profile and won't be visible to others. It's important to note that once a post is deleted, it cannot be retrieved. So make sure it's something you definitely want to erase. A couple of tips to ensure a smooth process. Check your internet connection before you begin. A stable connection will help avoid any glitches while performing this action. Also, if you're managing the LinkedIn page on a mobile device, the interface might appear slightly different, but the core steps are the same. Deleting a post can help manage your professional image and ensure you're portraying the right message to your network. Now you can navigate your LinkedIn activities more effectively, ensuring that only content that represents you best stays visible. Thanks for following along today, and feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher.